welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious potato and chorizo tacos in this amazing and delicious red sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start first with the potatoes because as you know, the potato takes longer to cook. I am going to take the skin off and then I am going to continue removing the skin of the rest of the potatoes. Once this is done, on the stove, I have a pan with boiling water. I am going to add my 6 potatoes. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and I'm going to cook it for about 40 minutes until it's tender, fork tender. And here I am going to continue with my chorizo. I am going to pull it apart. I'm going to cook it until it's nice and crispy. And this is going to take about 5-6 minutes. Look at this. Once your chorizo is releasing all those amazing flavors, aroma, and it's nice and crispy, then I am ready to transfer it to a plate where I have some napkins to take away the excessive oils. Once this is done, let me put it aside, let it rest for a little bit, and let's see how the potatoes are doing. When your potatoes are fork tender, just like this, you are ready to smash them. Look at this. Of course, you know that the potato really absorbs the flavors. So once you start smashing them and they're really smashed, taste them just in case you need to add some more salt or in my case, a little bit of chicken bouillon. You decide which you're going to add. If you're going to add some salt or if you're going to add a little bit of the chicken bouillon. The chicken bouillon is going to give it an amazing flavor. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon and then I'm going to mix it very well. Once this is nice and incorporated, I'm going to add the cheese, the Mexican blend cheese. Mix it in there, incorporate it really good before I add the crispy chorizo. Let me tell you, this filling is so delicious and so amazing that I know, my friends, that once you make these crispy tacos with this amazing filling, you're going to fall in love with my recipe. Well, once the chorizo is in there and it's nice and incorporated, get it with your hand. Look how it stays together. It doesn't pull apart. That's exactly how you want this mixture. You want to make sure that it doesn't fall apart. If it doesn't fall apart, it's not going to come out of your taco. I have here the chile pasilla ancho, 2 of them, a little bit of the chile de árbol. You decide how many. 1/4 of a piece of onion, and of course the tomatoes. Garlic cloves, 3 garlic cloves, and we're going to cook this amazing ingredients to make this amazing red salsa. Once it's boiling and the tomatoes are smushy, then we are ready to transfer it to my blender and then blend away. Of course, to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, a little bit of the water where they were boiling, and I am going to blend completely, making sure that everything is nice and smooth and blended. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. But once everything is blended, you are ready. Let me tell you, you are ready to start assembling these amazing potato and chorizo with cheese tacos. Look at this. Look at the texture of the red sauce. Just amazing. This salsa is easy to make with very few ingredients, but it tastes delicious. And here, this is the best part, making my tacos. Look at this. Look how easy it is. Just be generous with your filling. Remember, when you start frying them, the filling is not going to come out. It's going to stay in the center. Look how amazing this looks. Take your time making your tacos. They're going to be crispy. The filling is so delicious. You know that whenever you add chorizo to anything, it really comes out perfect. So this is how I wanted to show you how to make these amazing crispy tacos. Look at this. And if you love tacos like I do, you're going to love this recipe. On the pan, I'm adding vegetable oil. I'm going to wait until it's nice and hot. And when it's nice and hot, I am ready to add my tacos. And if you got to this part of the video and you already love all the ingredients, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives. You're going to cook it for about 1.5 minutes on each side until you see them nice and crispy. You decide how crispy you want them. You decide how golden brown you want them. But let me tell you, you're really going to enjoy these potato and chorizo tacos. Well, now that they're nice and crispy, I am ready to start adding some lettuce in the center. What am I going to add for topping? Lettuce, sour cream, the amazing salsa, red salsa, and of course, the queso fresco. Yes, you can't have too much queso. Let me tell you, you cannot have too much cheese. I love cheese. I love adding extra cheese on my crispy tacos. And I know that if you love tacos like I do, you're going to love this recipe. Let me tell you. Look how easy it is, and it looks amazing. Amazing, my friends. My home smells delicious, and I can't wait to dig in. You decide how much you want to add inside. Sour cream, just enough. Salsa, just enough. And cheese, be generous with your cheese. I am ready for the presentation. I am ready to taste. And I can't wait to enjoy these amazing homemade tacos. See you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing chorizo and potato crispy tacos. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So crispy. When you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. You definitely need to make these amazing tacos. If you like and love these amazing, crispy, delicious chorizo and potato tacos, leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying these amazing, crispy, delicious potato and chorizo tacos. Make them, enjoy them with your beautiful family. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.